You did everything right, college degree, public service job, 10 years of payments. Or so you thought, the government promised. Work in public service for 10 years, make 120 payments, debt gone. What they didn't tell you. The trap: 99% of applicants get rejected. 99%, that's not a program, that's a lottery. And you're not winning. From 2017 to 2022. Only 1% of PSLF applications were approved. 1%. Would you enter a contest with 1% odds? Meet Sarah, teacher, 10 years, 120 payments. She applied for forgiveness in 2024. She got a letter back, denied. The reason? Wrong payment plan. She was on the wrong plan for 8 years. Nobody told her. Nobody ever tells you. The rules change constantly. Different payment plans, different qualifying employers, different loan types. They write it in fine print on purpose. Income-driven repayment, standard repayment, graduated repayment, extended repayment, consolidation. Which one qualifies? Wrong answer? 10 years wasted. Not all public service jobs qualify. Nonprofit only. 501(c)(3). Government, federal, state, local only. Is your employer on the list? Most people don't check. You need to submit an employer certification form every year. Most people skip this. Without it, your payments don't count. 0. You made the payment, but was it the exact amount on the exact date under the exact plan? 1 mistake, all payments invalid. Call the loan servicer, wait 3 hours, get transferred, wait 2 more hours, get disconnected. They bet you'll give up. Do the application is 12 pages, requires employer signatures, payment history, loan verification. 1 missing signature? Denied, resubmit, wait another 6 months. When you're denied, you can't start over, you just keep paying indefinitely. The trap closes behind you. This is not forgiveness, this is a 10-year waiting period to find out if you qualify. And most of you won't. In 2022, they announced a waiver, temporary, counted past payments, millions applied. Then the waiver expired. Now what? The waiver helped some, but it was temporary, like a band-aid on a bullet wound. The system is still broken. 5 ways to fail: wrong plan, wrong employer, wrong loan type, wrong amount, wrong time. You need to pass all 5. Most people fail. Number 1. There are 4 income-driven repayment plans: Repay, Pay, IBR, ICR. Each has different rules. Pick the wrong one, your payments don't count. You need to calculate which plan gives you the lowest payment and qualifies for PSLF. Good luck, even accountants get this wrong. Did you know a $0 payment counts? If your income is low, your IDR payment can be 0 and it counts. Most people don't know this, they pay more than they need to. You have to recertify your income every year. Miss the deadline, payments increase, months may not count. 1 missed deadline, 12 months of payments wasted. Servicers give wrong advice, they tell you to consolidate or forbear or defer. All of these can kill PSLF. They are not your friend, they manage your debt, not your forgiveness. Consolidation resets your payment count to 0. 10 years of payments gone, start over. Never consolidate unless you know exactly what you're doing. Only federal direct loans qualify. FFEL loans, Perkins loans, they don't count unless you consolidate, but consolidation resets everything. Catch: 22 designed to confuse you. 120 qualifying payments, not 119, not 118, 120. All must be on time, all must be on qualifying plan. Miss 1, the clock doesn't reset, but you add more months. Here's what they don't tell you: if you switch jobs, you need new employer certification. If you switch plans, count may reset. Every change is a risk. Under IDR, your balance can grow. If your payment doesn't cover interest, the balance increases for years. You pay for a decade, your balance is higher than when you started. Interest accrues, capitalizes your $50,000 loan, becomes $70,000 while you make payments. Forgiveness: after 10 years, the balance grew while you waited. Servicers are overwhelmed. The Department of Education is backlogged. Applications take 6 to 12 months. You wait a year just to hear denied. Got denied, you can appeal, but the appeal process is longer, more paperwork, more waiting. Most people don't appeal, they give up. After 10 years and $24,000 in payments, your balance might be higher than they deny you. You lost time and money. The 10-year clock only runs while you're in repayment, not during forbearance, not during deferment. Every pause extends your sentence. Servicers push forbearance, just take a break from payment, but forbearance months don't count toward forgiveness. They pause your progress forever. The system is not designed to forgive, it's designed to collect for 10 years or 20 or 30. Are you prepared for that reality? Action step 1: log into studentaid.gov, check your loan type, are they federal direct loans? If not, you need a plan now. Action step 2: search your employer on the PSLF employer database, is your employer approved? If your employer doesn't qualify, your 10 years mean nothing. Action Step 3. Submit the employer certification form every year, every single year, no exceptions. This tracks your qualifying payments. Action Step 4. Use the loan simulator. Compare repay versus PAYE versus IBR. Choose the one with lowest payment and PSLF eligibility. This decision saves you thousands. Action Step 5. Set an annual calendar reminder to recertify your income same date every year. Never let it lapse. Action Step 6. Call your servicer. Ask, how many qualifying payments do I have? Get it in writing. Then call again next month. Compare answers. Action Step 7. Keep records. Every payment confirmation, every employer letter, every plan change. When they deny you, you prove them wrong. Action Step 8. Submit your PSLF application as soon as you hit 120 payments. Don't wait, not one day. Time starts when you submit. Action Step 9. Research PSLF temporary expanded PSLF. It helps some who were on wrong plans. Not a guarantee, but a second chance. Action Step 10. Calculate your actual forgiveness date. Use the PSLF help tool. Get an exact count. Know exactly when you're done. Action Step 11. Never consolidate without researching. Consolidation resets your payment count. Only consolidate before you start the 10-year clock. Action Step 12. Understand that PSLF requires IDR. You must be on an income-driven plan always. Standard repayment doesn't qualify. Action Step 13. Look into the new SAVE plan. It replaced repay, lower payments, faster forgiveness for some. Rules change, stay updated. Action Step 14. Consider a student loan advisor. Some offer free consultations. 1 hour of professional advice can save 10 years. Action Step 15. Track every payment. Number them 1 to 120. Watch the count grow. Each payment is one step closer. When you hit 120 qualifying payments, you're not done. You apply, you wait, you check. But you're closer than 99% of people. The letter arrives, your heart pounds, you open it, you read the first line. Approved or denied, you'll know soon. Approval means $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 in debt vanishes forever. It happens. It's rare, but it happens. Imagine your balance hitting zero. Imagine that weight gone, that future unlocked. That's the goal, that's the fight. No more student loan payment. That's $200, $500, $1,000 per month coming back to you. Now you invest, now you build. The system is broken, but you can still win. You just need to know the game. Now you know. Tell your coworkers, tell your friends. Most don't know they're on the wrong plan. Share this information. It changes lives. 10 minutes of research today saves 10 years of payments tomorrow. That's your ROI. Read, learn, apply. You can't fix past mistakes, but you can fix the future starting today. What will you do differently? Log into studentaid.gov right now. Check your loan type, check your payment count, check your employer. One check could save 10 years. Do it now. Your future self will thank you. See you on the other side of forgiveness.